Hi. Hello. Ano ka?
Bingi. Hindi ako bingi.
Bingi ka? Bunso!
Hello.
Para...
Dito ka, makamaiwan ka. Nako, hindi mo makikita yung uncle mo.
Ay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ilan ba? Ilan mo kabok?
Wala pala takabok. 11. Sabi ko sa'yo, Manong we can reach them. You see? Iguana? Iguana. Kani iguana. Meron dito si Buana. I'm Laurel. Punta po kami dito sa safari. Silang bunso na doon sa isang van. Ba't mo nalalaman? Ha? Ha? Charot. Charot?
Hanggang ka na sa bansa Pinoy, sa bansa ko, kawalay batasan. Sayaw kami! Kung bumahan ka, hingandan sa'y payaan, ikaw kaulin ako sa ugan himulang nanong si Bibi si sa pagdaga nakalahat ako wani sa nagpagsakan ang paglimala Simon Giling-giling Aho Syaga-syaga Chua Lala Tutara Magsuri-surita Alam na panibayan sa lupa Kaya kung syagang na Mawal Kaya kung syagang na Mawal na nagana Mawal na nagana Thank you so much. Magaling isa pa. Take it away. Isa pa puso. One more. Two more. More. Ganito ulit. Yung sayaw. You take me in your arms and though I'm wide awake I know my dream is coming true. Come on! And all just want love again. Just want touching it. It happens every time that I go. Just fall in love again. The way I do. Sige, sungin na kita mo na ng sargaw. I fall in love with you. Ano na baby? Thank you, magic. It's magic. Ako parang nagati sa wakas. Anyone to blame that I'm sensitive. Are you enjoying? Are you? Hello? Do it. When I look into your eyes, I don't. Put your hands in there, come on. hindi. Ang hindi mo sa pungkol. And then I go just wanna love again. And when I do, sige na, hilog na mo. I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. Sige na, nga namang ko na to, 5 mil. Anyway, thank you so much po sa atong mga kabunso. We still have seats here, but actress. Ang lahat ng mga actor, kung anong papagawa ng mga direktor, ginagawa para malaman na good actor at good actress ka. Okay ba yun? Okay. Sino yung actress natin? Maricel. At saka? Sige, ganito na lang gagawin natin. Exciting. Ikaw ay Yaya. Ikaw ay si Amo. Galit na galit ka dahil hindi niya ginawa na tama yung kanyang trabaho. Ngayon, magkakaroon ng twist. Hindi kayo parang lagi ka na lang sunod-sunuran sa amo mo. Bandang huli, ikaw yung magiging, ikaw yung magiging
20 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. As you already meet Hunter, now put your hands together for snatching. Face the crowd. Alright, yesterday was Valentine's Day, right? Now feel the love as we have here our couple Sunkeer named Ding and Dog. So Sunkeers, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that will be the only time that they will find another mating partner. Alright, so they're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female shares the same physical features. So thank you so much, ma'am. You can
Camel. Batu? You to go down? Oh.